Welcome to our comparison video, where we take a closer look at two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker. Both of these machines promise quick ice production and convenient features. But which one truly stands out? In this video, we will delve into their specifications, design, and unique functionalities to determine which ice maker is the better choice for your home or outdoor adventures. The EUHOMY Ice Maker features a portable design complete with a carry handle, making it easy to transport for camping or outdoor use. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker boasts a sleek black finish that adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. While both designs are functional, the choice may come down to personal aesthetic preferences. When it comes to ice production, the EUHOMY Ice Maker produces a single size of bullet-shaped ice cubes, which is perfect for most beverages. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker offers the versatility of producing two different sizes of bullet ice, catering to various drink preferences and occasions. This feature could be a deciding factor for those who enjoy customizing their drinks. In terms of power, the EUHOMY Ice Maker operates at 170 watts, making it an energy-efficient option for those conscious of their electricity usage. Conversely, the Electactic Ice Maker has a higher power output of 300 watts, which may translate to faster ice production, but could also lead to increased energy consumption. It's essential to consider how often you plan to use the machine when evaluating these specifications. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Electactic Ice Makers offer impressive features and capabilities for ice production. The EUHOMY stands out with its portable design and lower power consumption, while the Electactic impresses with its dual ice size options. Ultimately, your choice may depend on your specific needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.